Good evening folks, and welcome. Excuse the state of my t-shirt. Anyway, good news. I've got the DANSETTE 32 working. It turned out to be the output transformer, which I've got here. I had a look at the windings. Apparently it's lost continuity between the winding and the red wire, so it's gone open circuit, so that was causing the problem. Anyway, I managed to find one in a scrap item, scrap Ferguson I've got. I managed to nick a transformer which is exactly the same transformer, so it was a direct replacement, and if I switch this on now we should hear an almighty big loud bang. Try again, turn the plug on. Let's get the cartridge. It warms up quick as well. There we are. And look at that. Hardly no hum. There we go. That's the bass, treble, let's just connect the earth wire up because they're actually not earthed, you know, and I don't like not having the earth connected. I want to see if it makes a difference. It shouldn't make much of a difference. It should only make the difference of the fact that when I touch the, hang on, let's move that out of the way. Oh, pardon me folks. Pull the plug out to be safe. Pardon me, I've just body burped. There we go. Let's turn it back on. Nothing. Oh. Shouldn't be any hum from that now. There we go, working. And I bet that audio valve's red hot now. Ooh, yes. That's how it's supposed to be. I mean, you shouldn't be able to touch. Yeah, you shouldn't be able to touch the audio valve what I'm going to do, I'm going to let the valve cool down. I'm going to, what I want to do before putting it back together, I want to clean the case. I want to clean the case and make sure that everything here is soldered back neatly as it should be. But yeah, is that other valve there hot? That one's not as hot, but it doesn't get driven as hard. Oh, but that is. Oh wow, that's lovely. And that's how we like it. And what about the transformer? Lovely and cold. Transformer's lovely and cool, folks. So I'm happy with that. I'm not happy with the racket coming out of him. Right, what I'm going to do, folks, I'm going to clean the case because it does need cleaning. I might as well clean it before I put the record player back together. And what we'll do, this has only really been a short video on me just showing you that the amp's done. You know, it turned out, like I say, it just turned out to be a dodgy oh, pardon me, a dodgy out. I don't want to go and wash my hand. A dodgy output transformer, which was probably caused through somebody putting an external speaker socket on it, because it's got an external speaker socket and in the manual it doesn't have the socket, it's not shown. So therefore, as far as I'm concerned, it shouldn't be there, so I shan't be connecting it back up. But that's it, we're all done. We're cooking with gas, we're ready to go. Join me again when you'll see this all back together. Well, you won't, you'll see me the next one is servicing the deck. I'll be servicing the Garrard. I'm not sure what model Garrard it is because I've not been able to read the name of the model, but I will. I've got my magnifying glass knocking about somewhere there. So after I've put the amp back in, I'm going to start on the deck. And we'll get the deck sorted out. Anyway, folks, it's cover my belly up. Thanks for watching, and more to come later. This is part 3, by the way. Bye for now, folks. There we go.